Top 3 things to understand about the metaverse. The metaverse is a hot topic within global tech circles, and for good reason. While the term metaverse has been around for decades, the technology behind Meta's metaverse is evolving every day. As this term becomes more common within the general public, it's important to know and understand exactly what the metaverse is and how it will be used. Having a solid understanding of Metaverse's framework is integral in keeping up with news in regards to this technological evolution. After all, if you aren't familiar with what it is and how it works, how can you expect to understand or get excited about new developments as they arise? In this guide, we're going to tell you what exactly the Metaverse is, how users can utilize the Metaverse, and who has the ability to access the Metaverse. What exactly is the Metaverse? The term metaverse was first used in the 1992 science fiction novel Snow Crash. The term referred to an alternate world where lifelike avatars could meet in realistic 3D buildings and other places in a virtual reality setting. However, the modern definition of the metaverse is an online virtual world that can be accessed via augmented reality. The overall goal of the metaverse is to provide an alternate world that feels hyper-real to the world we already live in. While there's still a long way to go, we've already seen the bare-bones framework of the metaverse in online games like Roblox, Minecraft and Fortnite, to name a few. In fact, the companies behind the development of these games are actively working on metaverse technology. Each company that has a hand in the research and development of the metaverse does so in hopes of giving users the ability to work, play and maintain a connection with their friends while inside the metaverse. How do you use the metaverse? Technically, the metaverse itself isn't fully developed yet. In fact, Mark Zuckerberg, the CEO of Meta, said he believes it could take 5 to 10 years before the metaverse is ready. With that said, there are parts of the metaverse that are usable right now. Things like top-speed broadband connections, VR headsets, and always-on online worlds are commonplace in the gaming industry. When the metaverse does officially launch, users will be able to work, play, and virtually travel anywhere in the world and beyond. It's also worth noting that there may be more than one metaverse by the time everything is fully developed. In that case, each individual metaverse may have different functions. For example, while one metaverse may offer a virtual world for social interaction, another one may be devoted entirely to work. Who can use the metaverse? Well, anyone with the right equipment can join the metaverse. However, the equipment required varies depending on who you ask. While Facebook/Meta want you to purchase an Oculus headset, others don't feel a headset is necessary. With that said, a headset is the most effective way to get the immersive experience the metaverse is offering. However, already existing metaverses don't require the use of a headset. These metaverses can be accessed through a computer or mobile device. The most well-known of these are the metaverse of Roblox and the metaverse of Minecraft. In reality, there's a metaverse out there for everyone. While gamers may flock to the metaverses of Roblox or Fortnite, fashion aficionados may enter brand metaverses like Zepeto to see how an outfit would look on them before actually having to try it on. No matter who you are or where your interests lie, the metaverse is waiting for you.